Hello friends, finally Instagram introduced a recap feature. So here you notice that I have received the monthly recap option on dashboard. So if you have a professional account, so you need to simply tap on your dashboard, and now here you notice that there is a new feature called monthly recap. So you need to simply tap on this one, and now here it display all your monthly recap. So this is the November recap. So now if I tap on this one, so here I can see all my recap of November. I have got 159 views and 55% view growth, and here you notice that I have 243 followers. So this is the new feature which it recently launched. So in November you add only one story here, so it display basically few pages. You can easily check out your recap, and also I can check out my October recap 2025. So each month you see your recap here. So I haven't uploaded any story or post in past. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to check the Instagram recap which you recently launched. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.